welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share this beautiful bread with you. Yes, this is milk and chocolate bread. Charlie, you are going to love it. Ankasa, ankasa, ankasa. You see, oh, fresh and sumptuous. So let's get started. Please, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Click on the notification bell, share this video. So I'm using 4 cups of flour. Yes, this is 4 cups and 2 tablespoons of dry yeast, and I'm adding 5 tablespoons of sugar to it because we are going to make this sweet. Yes, please, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. This is 6 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Okay, so I'm mixing everything together, and the last I'm going to add is my salt. Yes, just I have a teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to divide this into 2. So I'm going to take 2 cups from it and set it aside. Yes, please subscribe for me, leave a comment, share this video for me. Okay, so I'm going to add 1 egg to this one, and then set the other 1 egg aside for the other part. I added my flavor, that is mixed fruits, and I'm adding my milk to it. So this is about 4 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of margarine is what I added. So I'm mixing everything. I'll be adding water, lukewarm water to it, little by little, till it's able to combine very well and I get a texture that I want. It's not supposed to be too soft, it's not supposed to be too hard, and so this consistency, this texture is okay for me. So I'll set it aside, cover for 20 minutes while we mix the other one, and I'm adding about 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, sweet cocoa powder to it. We're going to mix everything. I'm adding the egg, I'm adding the rest of the milk to it, and then I'm going to mix this one too. I'm going to add butter to it, 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to mix everything, and then I'll be adding water bit by bit till I get a consistency that I want. This one I did not add flavor to it. You can add if you so wish. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to set this one to aside for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I have my chopping board. This is the flour. This is the dough. So I'm just applying flour on the chopping board, and I'm going to knead this. Yes, I'm going to knead it. Please like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. So I'm kneading, not too any serious kneading, but I just knead it this way. Okay, and then after, what I'll do is I'm going to divide it into 2. I'm going to divide it into 2. You can use oil instead of the flour, and I'm kneading this one also, and I'll divide that one also into 2. Yes, okay, so I have one there. I'm rolling it, and I'm going to add the cocoa one to it, the chocolate one to it, and then roll it. Yes, so I'm going to roll this one also, and I'm adding raisins to it. Yes, raisins, and then I'll use the rolling pin on it so that it will stick to it very well. And now I'm going to fold it this way. Going to fold it. Okay, so I'm just trying to get it equal to my baking pan. Yes, so I'm just taking those raisins from this so that I can easily tuck or pinch my dough very well. Okay, please subscribe for me, like and share this video, leave a comment for me. So I'll put this side in the in the baking pan. So I've greased it with butter or margarine, and I have parchment paper in this. So I'll just lift it and place it in. I'm going to cover this for like 30 to 40 minutes. You can leave it for 1 hour or more for it to rise very, very well. Yes, so I'm doing the second one. The second one, I decided to the raisins, add some to the down part before the upper part. Yes. Okay, this bread was nice. So this is it after my 30-40 minutes, and I'm going to bake this in my gas oven. I'm going to lower it and give it time for it to bake very, very well. So this is it. I baked it for 15 to 20 minutes, and this is it. Yes, so you see this beauty, these beauties, our beauties here. Yes, so sumptuous and tasty. You see, very hot too. So we are going to slice for you to see while it's hot. So this is hot, and so when you slice it, you don't really see the shape of the chocolate one very well in it. When it's hot and you slice it, this is the result you get, and it's so tasty, very soft and very sumptuous. You see, very heavy too. Yes, so we are going to slice it when it's overnight. So this is overnight, and this one you can see the chocolate design very well in it. Yes, and it's even more heavier overnight. Yes, and the taste awesome. You like it, and still soft. Yes, so give this bread a try and you're going to love it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.